お、いたらっしゃいます。こんにちは。うん。
Ya, saya
Want to speak real Japanese from your person? Sign up for time at Japanese Pub.
Hi everyone, I'm Christopher. Welcome to Basic Japanese Class. In this series, I'm going to teach you how to understand Japanese alphabet in the fastest, easiest, and most efficient way. Did you know written Japanese actually uses three different scripts? Hiragana, katakana, and kanji. Hiragana is the basic Japanese alphabet. Contrary to the English alphabet, however, each character represents one series